I was invited to make a work and maybe just put something on a flat wall. But when I looked at the space and saw the posts and the circles, I thought they were really good spaces to do an installation type work in. So I proposed an idea based on Pou Ihu, which I described that as being the way knowledge comes down. I like working with students. I used to work in Māori studies, and I was particularly interested to see how it would work with engineering students, because I've never worked with engineering students, and that they could be prioritised, but other students could also. But it went to architecture and fine arts as well, creative industries, and anybody who was interested could come along. So about 60 students turned up, and so then I had to narrow that down because I thought I wanted about 6 students. While I was teaching at Māori Studies, I was also doing my doctorate at Elam, so I always walked past the engineering block just about every day, but never really felt welcome to come in. So that was a big thing, to make an auditorium where when people come in who are Māori or Pacific or from other faculties, they feel welcome. It feels like a fun place to be now. I was telling my son about it. He came through engineering school, and I was telling him about what's available here, and he was really jealous. He wasn't like that when he was here.